now we'll move to our next segment, which is the food segment. And interestingly, what I believe and what a lot of people believe, that the best way to impress a chef as a guest would be to cook for them. So Kirti, let me tell you about my cooking skills and my cooking level.
I'm so eager to hear.
So I'm an amateur, not even a chef. Like I'm just the amateur level pay. And I cook Maggie in a microwave. So you can picture.
That's huge.
So you can picture me there, right? But since you were coming, and since your most favorite recipe is
a chocolate cake,
a chocolate cake, which you said that you can even cook at 2 a.m. in the night.
Yes.
So I attempted that, and here's
brave attempt, I must say, Divyanshu. I'm so eager to try what you've made.
I think there's a lot of sarcasm
No.
there,
No.
but that's fine. Take a snippet into it. So for today, we'll be in conversation with Kirti Bhoutika, the MasterChef India winner. And to impress a chef, the best way to impress a chef is to cook for her. So we've decided to cook Kirti Bhoutika's famous basic eggless chocolate cake. Although my level of expertise in cooking is right at Maggie level, and this is my first time cooking something like this. So let's see how this goes.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. And I'm going to share my favorite chocolate cake recipe today.
Butter, I think that's 100 grams. 200 grams condensed milk. We're doing butter, but it's okay. Moment of truth. This is very time consuming. Here we go, you ready? Let's go ahead and bake it. That wasn't too difficult. Yeah, let's wait for 40 minutes. Woo. Looks damn fancy. Woo. Isn't that lovely? So as you guys can see, and as you can see, this is the final product.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Genuinely.
I know, right? Yeah. There was a little disaster here. Was kind of a landslide there, but I've not tasted it.
Okay.
So you will have to taste it and make a commentary on that.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. So this is one of the recipes that you've tried from. Okay.
Yeah, and I watched your video,
okay.
and I exactly replicated that.
Okay.
So
okay.
that's right there. It's your cake, but it's my execution.
No, of course it's your cake. Can I?
Like you can
dig into it.
Of course you can. Like just cut it. And before that, wait. I have. Can we please have the KBC music? We'll have 4 options.
Okay.
To answer how you like the cake.
Can I eat first?
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay. It's really good.
No. Don't say that
Okay.
to me right now. You have 4 options. Option A. खाने लायक. Option B. वाहियात. Option C. ये तो कुत्ता भी ना खाए. Or option D. I'd prefer rat poison. Which of the options are you going to choose? Like, this is very personal to me. A lot of my life decisions are based on it.
I think it will be option E, and it's really good. I swear it's good, Divyanshu. You have to keep baking.
Guys, new profession.
And anybody, and all of y'all who make Maggie in a microwave, this is the recipe you gotta try.